here's how to appear offline in Epic Games. Epic Games has been a great competitor to Steam, and it's seamlessly dominating the entire gaming industry because of an extensive variety of intriguing games and other amazing options that never fails to captivate gamers. It offers a bundle of free games every week, spanning the collection of your favorite games. It's now an entirely social platform, but still, sometimes users feel quite reserved because they want to play these games with their friends and family to make some memorable moments and cherish them forever, which is impossible with this platform. So let's learn how to appear offline on Epic Games. Unfortunately, there's no direct way to appear offline on Epic Games, as users can access its competitor websites such as Steam or PS5, but following these steps will get your desired results. Firstly, launch the Epic Games Launcher. Once you successfully open it, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. Afterwards, ensure that the Enable Offline Mode browsing box is properly checked. In the end, simply cut off your internet connection and restart it and use it offline.